You've seen the screenshots online. You hear the hype about Solana altcoins and meme coins. In this video, I am going to giving you the simple, complete step-by-step playbook on how to use the Phantom wallet. Think of Phantom as your digital passport in your personal bank account. Step 1. Creating your wallet. We are going to set up a Phantom wallet. First, head over to the official website for Phantom, that's phantom.com. Once you're sure you're in the right place, you'll see download options. Go ahead and download the extension to your browser. You will get to choices create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. We are starting from scratch, so create a new wallet. The next screen is the most important. You will be shown your recovery phrase. This is not just a password, it's a list of 12 words that acts as a set of master passwords for the whole account. If you lose this phrase, you lose everything. Your money is gone. So after you have written down and say this phrase, Phantom will have you re-enter it. To make sure you have it right, then you will create a simple password you will use just for that device. Step 2. Funding your wallet with Solana. You are doing great. Your wallet is set up but empty. To do anything on Solana, you need its native currency, Sol. You need Sol for two main reasons. First is what you will swap for other coins. Second, you need a tiny bit of it ready for transaction fees, or gas as they call it. You are almost ready to step into the world of decentralized trading. For this, you need an exchange, or what's called a DEX. A DEX is a platform that lets you trade crypto directly with others. While there are a few DEXs to choose from, Raydium is the best place to go. Here's how it works. Go to the search icon at the bottom of your Phantom wallet. Second, go to the site's icon at the top. Third, select Raydium. Once on the site, you will connect wallet and then select Phantom. You are all done. When ready, click the swap button to do your transaction. You now have the core skill you need to explore the entire Solana ecosystem. This exact process works for almost any coin you will ever want to buy. Have fun!